Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can send your reels to your WhatsApp or share it to your friends or your status on WhatsApp. So let's get right into it. Now, thankfully, this process has been made very simple since both Instagram and WhatsApp are ownership of Meta. You will be able to share it directly through WhatsApp very easily just by hitting the share button. A lot of different share options are very well integrated, but WhatsApp, of course, is very easily accessed as well. So let me show you guys how that is done. Now, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to go into the reels, of course, and find the reel that you want to share. And for example, let's say I want to share this reel right over here. What you're gonna want to do, just tap on the share button, and at the bottom, as you can see, you can share it to WhatsApp or to your status, and that is pretty much it. If you select WhatsApp, you can select chat groups, you can select your status, you can select singular contacts, whatever you wish. However, if you select status, it's immediately just gonna send it over to your status. And yeah, that is pretty much it. You can also do it with your own reels. Just go into your reels, click share, and pretty much the same process applies. And that is pretty much it. Now, you can also, if you're having trouble with this, you can go to your own reels, click on the three dots, click on manage, and then you'll be able to download the reel. And once you download it, then you'll be able to post it yourself through WhatsApp without sharing it. And that is useful if you're having any trouble. But if you're not, the original method works best. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.